Good morning. I'm Epstein, and here we are on the first day of fall. Hard to believe, isn't it? But we're here. It is September 23rd, 2024, and the time about 8:15 a.m. Central Time. In terms of the news of the day, let's go to that. You had the Atlanta Fed President Bostic speak. I cover that in my full research this morning. Chicago Federal Reserve National Activity Index, a big move up from where it was. This was a negative 4.2. It was revised down in this report from a negative 3.4 there, but now it's going all the way positive. S&P Global Group are going to come out with the U.S. preliminary, and the word is preliminary, September manufacturing and service sector PMI numbers at 8:45. Philly Fed President Harker will speak at Tulane this afternoon at 1 o'clock, and there's more Fed talk going on. So we have a lot of Fed speakers starting to show up, answering the question, did the Fed go big? What was the point of it? Were they playing catch up? And you're starting to get answers from the different members as to what they think. As for the stock market itself, up a little bit today, not roaring, but certainly up a little bit. The gold market at new all-time highs, where silver's losing to gold today, yet copper is keeping, well, flat is the best word, and platinum coming down. So a couple of these metals starting to slip away. The dollar got up to 194, getting hit on that rally. We are looking also at foreign currencies all over the board, the pound especially, back and forth here, 100-point range already. In the Aussie dollar, well, the talk there is they're not going to be raising interest rates anytime soon, so I would expect that we keep getting a bid in that particular currency. When we take a look at the peso, well, you know, you've got a change of power coming at you right away in October. So AMLO out, Sheinbaum in. Japanese yen, well, the question is, what's the cheap part to buy it, because you know they're going to be raising interest rates down the road. In all the grains today, we're getting a little bit of a rally across the board, yet it rained, which is interesting in different parts of the country. I went yesterday to the University of Notre Dame game, not yesterday, but Saturday. I died there. It had to be 96 degrees, and then we were sitting on the sunny side. And I am telling you, it was so hot. I don't know how football players were able to do it. In the band, I was talking to band members, and I felt their suits, and I'm going, I don't know how you guys do it. And they go, generally one or two of us will faint in this weather. It's that rough, and it was rough. So kudos to the kids and kudos to Notre Dame. They did win. When we take a look at the soft markets, the question is which way next, all right? The coffee market is one day up, one day down. Now it's back up 10 cents. Remember, this is $3,750 for 10 points, $3.75 a point. It thinks nothing of those large moves. You realize how big sugar has rallied over the past 4 days? It's exploded. That's putting it mildly. The price has gone up. Dramatic isn't a word there. And as we look at some of the other markets here in the interest rate futures, you see that they are giving you a break, which means yields are climbing up a little bit. Not to be unexpected. This was the old buy the rumor, sell the fact, and that's exactly what you're getting through that. And a very mixed day in all the energy markets. And that is even with Hezbollah firing hundreds of rockets at Israel, and Israel going in, broadcasting messages, move, because we're coming in and we're going to destroy the launch areas, so they're warning the people. It is full-scale war now between Hezbollah and Israel. If people think this is a skirmish any longer, they're sadly mistaken, unless you can define to me every day hundreds of rockets, launchings going in. I guess the only thing you're missing is troops in there, and that's probably the last definition. Want to remind you folks that I cover all this and a lot more first thing in the morning when I put out my morning spider ETF, my morning futures, all these type of ads. Now this one happens to be for the spider. A lot of you use spiders looking at futures. DIA, IWM, GLD, BND, TLT. You understand what I'm saying? So you put this all together in there and you try to come up with ideas, which I do. And I break down the trades. We track them right in the video. Anything I say buy here or sell